In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up your Evernote notes and notebooks. If you're using Evernote to keep track of important information, you know how crucial it is to secure your data. Having a backup ensures that your valuable notes are safe and can be accessed whenever needed, even if something unexpected happens. Whether it's for peace of mind or just good practice, let's dive into how you can easily back up your Evernote content using the desktop app. To begin, make sure you have the Evernote desktop application open on your computer. Once you're in, you'll need to decide whether you want to back up an entire notebook or select specific notes. Navigate through your list of notes and locate the notebook or the individual notes you're planning to export. If you're selecting individual notes, you can use the Control key on Windows or the Command key on Mac to select multiple notes at once. With your selection ready, you're set for the next step. Now, with your chosen notes or notebook highlighted, right-click on the selected item or group of items. In the pop-up context menu, you'll see an option labeled Export. Click on that to initiate the export process. This is where you'll decide the format of your backup file, so think about how you plan to use the exported data. At this stage, you'll be prompted to choose an export format. Evernote offers a couple of different formats that cater to varied needs. The first option is NX, with the file extension .enex. This format is perfect if you want to preserve all note content along with the metadata. Metadata includes valuable information like tags, which help keep your notes organized and is important if you plan to import your notes back into Evernote later on. The second format available is HTML, or .html, which is ideal for those who might want to view their notes in a web browser. This format is straightforward, but doesn't retain metadata like the Enex format does. Once you've decided on a format that suits your needs, the next step is to choose a destination folder on your computer where you'd like to save this exported file. Navigate through your File Explorer or Finder until you find the perfect spot to store your backup. Choosing the right location is essential for easy access in the future. Make sure to pick somewhere memorable, or perhaps create a designated folder for backups if you haven't already. With your destination folder set, the final step is simply to click on Save to complete the export process. The backup will then be safely stored in the location you chose, ensuring your notes are secure and ready for access whenever you might need them again. And that's it. By following these steps, you can confidently back up your Evernote data. Happy organizing!